Hello South Africa. Today is Monday, June 27, 2022 and here is Sports Highlight. Patrice Motsepe wants Pitso Mosimane to coach Bafana Bafana. CF President Patrice Motsepe has made it clear that he wants Pitso Mosimane to replace Hugo Broos as Bafana Bafana head coach. Motsepe turned a few heads with his recent comments on Broos and Mosimane. I wish Pitso Mosimane could coach Bafana Bafana, Motsepe stated on Sunday World. Patrice Motsepe wants a local coach at the helm, which means he would be open to Benny McCarthy coaching the national side too. However, he really wants Mosimane. He even offered to personally fund Mosimane's salary through the Motsepe Foundation. He is my favorite coach and I love him. He will always have a special place in my heart and I will even get the Motsepe Foundation to subsidize his salary. I think he is quality, and quality should not come cheap. Broos has begun to fall out of favor with South African fans after a string of frustrating results. With a man of Patrice Motsepe's power and influence calling for him Mosimane to coach South Africa, this could get very interesting. After all, Mosimane is a free agent and he has achieved everything possible at club level in Mzansi. For Mosimane, it opens up a world of possibility and challenges at the national level, as well as some redemption after struggling during his first stint as national coach. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Luke for the South African.